Hey guys, Mark here, and I've never actually made a video like this, but I just want to say thank you to all of you guys for getting me to 10,000 subscribers. Honestly, I know everyone probably says this when they hit a subscriber milestone, but I seriously never thought I would ever get past 2k subscribers. I mean, it's January now, and in January 2019, I had 1,500 subscribers. 1,500, and now we're on 10k. So let's keep this train going. Let's keep this ball rolling and see where we can get. You never know. And hey, if you're watching this video, you guys are the OGs. You guys were here first. So maybe just leave me a comment below. Let me know what your name is. Let me know where you're from in the world. Let me know how you found my channel and what you like about it, or even what you don't like about it, or what you think I should do differently. Any suggestions like that, just so I can know, I can have a record of who was here first when we hit 2 million subscribers when I'm 60 years old. I mean, that's quite a while. Also, let me know if there's anything that you guys want me to review next. Obviously, I'm not made of money, though I will try and source or buy any of the products you guys mentioned that you'd like me to review. Anything in terms of true wireless earbuds or Bluetooth speakers, or mainly audio stuff, but I am willing to check out other stuff if you guys really want me to. So yeah, just let me know. And just a bit of a public service announcement that in 2020, I'm going to be giving away a lot of true wireless earbuds that I review and Bluetooth speakers as well over on my Instagram. So I'll leave the link to that down in the comments below, as a lot of you guys, well, not a lot of you guys, sometimes I get messages from people saying, hey, can I have those? Can I have the Jabra 75T Elite? And I'm like, I can't really give them to you. But what I can do is run a competition to at least give all of you guys a chance to win them. So as I said, link to my Instagram is in the comments below. Come over, say hi over there. You can see on my story what I get up to when I'm not sitting here in the studio staring at a camera. It's not the most exciting thing, but you never know. Maybe it's exciting to you. So hopefully I will see you in the next video or over on Instagram. And in the meantime, why don't you check out one of these two videos if you haven't seen them? Because honestly, guys, just by watching my videos, you seriously don't know how much it helps me, and also being subscribed as well. So I'll see you in the next video.